Let's decorate a monochrome smiley face. This is a single color cookie. It's a monochrome cookie. So the same icing you're going to use for the base is what you're going to use for the decoration on top. I'm coming in with this light blue, and you're seeing this in real time, how slow it takes me to get an outline on. Outlining circle cookies is probably one of the hardest cookie shapes to outline. Even professional cookiers will stay away from circles because they're really annoying. But I will tell you, the more you decorate them, the easier they get and closer to the edge you can get. After that, after you've outlined it, I like to go through about 3, maybe 4 times around so I have a really solid edge. And then I start from the middle of my cookie to give the outside a little bit more time to dry before I put pressure of the icing on the inside pushing against it. And there's no additional reason besides it kind of looks nicer to fill it in this way for a video of why I'm going in a circle slowly towards the outside or the edge of the cookie. And for full transparency, I cut out all the times where I have to readjust my hand and therefore I stop piping because my hand hurts trying to get the icing out of this bag really nice and evenly. And I don't like to put my icing that I'm filling in from the center all the way up to the edge as just another effort to help prevent my icing from overflowing. That's also why I push my icing to the edge with my scribe to that outline, usually in a circle shape, or if I feel like it's getting too heavy along the edge, I'll push a lot of that icing back to the center and it will even out. That's the plus side of having this hybrid icing, is if you push all the icing to one side or to the center, it will flatten out. Gravity will work with you here, as well as using what I like to call the little washing machine method to just spin everything and even things out nicely. Once that has matted over, once that's crusted over, once you have a little bit of distinction between the bottom, you're gonna come back with the same color icing and you're gonna pipe on a half circle. I went over this, so I went one direction and then immediately back the other direction so that I had a very defined half circle. And then I went through to figure out where I wanted the eyes. I did 2 dots, and then I'm going to fill it in with the oval shape where I'm pressure piping. I'm just pushing the icing out of my icing bag, out of my piping bag, and I'm not necessarily creating the shape beforehand with an outline. After you add the 2 eyes, you're going to come back and just add a line on each end of the mouth, and you'll notice this is the only line that I did not overlap multiple times. And that leaves your monochrome smiley face. The 5 cookies in this set are the disco ball, smiley face, bride, flower, and corset cookie. Give it a try. Let me know what you think.